Today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy and very cute little stuffed candy on your knitting machine. You'll need this small size machine, some waste yarn and your main color yarn, scissors, a needle and a crochet hook, and some stuffing. We'll begin by casting on with the waste yarn and knitting a few rows with that. Make sure you're at the beginning of a row, cut off your waste yarn, take the main color and we're going to start knitting with that. Restart your row counter because we're going to knit 50 rows with the pink. Now we'll cut off the pink, leaving a little bit of a tail. Changing back to waste yarn and knitting a few rows with that. After a few rows, cut it off and then continue turning until your project comes off the machine. The next step will be closing one side of the tube. Look for that first row of stitches, count back 11, and then with your crochet hook go into the 12th stitch. Grab the one in front of it and pull through, then the one next to it, pull through, then in front, pull through, and keep going back and forth pulling through the loops until you're close the top. After the last stitch, just pull the tail through to secure. Now you can remove the waste yarn. Now we're going to grab some stuffing and put it in that corner that we just closed, about 1/4 of the whole tube. Grab your needle and a nice tail of yarn, not too big, but big enough. We're going to count down 15 rows, going according to the V's that are looking upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We'll go through the right loop of that V, and then skipping the next loop, we're going into the right loop of the next V, and continuing like this all around the row. Make sure you're always staying on the same row. It could take a while, so take your time, just make sure that you're doing it right. Since this is knitted in the round, so it is a spiral, and you won't arrive exactly at the same row, so just go into the first stitch, and now we're going to pull this very tight, first making sure that all the stuffing is inside. Now carefully pull the yarn tight as you can without breaking the yarn, and make 2 or even 3 tight knots. We can see this creates this nice bubble side for the first side of the candy. Now, using your crochet hook, you can hide in the tails. Now we're going to take some more stuffing for the middle part of the candy and just more or less look around how much will be the middle, seeing how big the side is and measuring more or less how big the other side will be, and therefore finding out how much to stuff in the middle. You also don't want to stuff it too much since this is a knitted project, so sometimes the stuffing can show through. So just try to find what'll work best for you. This time we'll count up from the bottom, 15 rows, again the V's that are going upwards, and just like we did on the top, picking up one side of the V's, pulling the yarn through all the way around the row. Again, stuff in the stuff, pull tight, knot up well, and hide the tails. Now for the third and final time, we're going to stuff that last piece of the candy. And close up the top just like we did on the other side. Remove the waste yarn. And hide in any tails you have left. And that's it, your candy is done. I think it comes out so cute and adorable. I would love to make it in a few different colors and have a little collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!